In this video, we will look at how to capture Trellix ENS MER on Mac. To begin, launch a terminal on Mac. Once terminal is open, type the following command and press Enter. You will need admin rights, so it may prompt for your password. The tool will now begin collecting diagnostic logs. This may take a few minutes. Please wait for the process to complete. Once finished, the tool will display the path where the MER file has been saved. Navigate to the folder shown and locate the MER file to share it with technical support. And that's it! You've successfully captured Trellix ENS MER on Mac. Thanks for watching.